All right, here we are going to quickly apply Saphir's new leather edge and heel restorer. That was what I was looking for. New kind of dye pen product that can help quickly restore your edges to your soles. So the first steps are to brush down your shoes. I've already done that. I've shaken the pen, which is step 2, and now we're just going to get straight to applying it. So look, it's fairly straightforward. You just apply, and mind you, this goes without saying, but you want to be careful not to touch your leather because this is a dye and the dye is going to stain. So while it's simple, it's also need you to pay attention and be delicate, because if I hit that suede above, it can cause its own adverse effects. So we're going to just apply it kind of evenly all around the boot. Excuse me, not the boot, but the boot's edge. And we're just going to kind of tidy up these very well worn boots. And they definitely need a good heel edge cleaning, because this could be my most worn pair of shoes. You can tell I need a new heel top, and that's very rare for me to have, considering I have several hundred pairs of shoes. Not bragging, but just stating the reality. So there you go, quick application, easy as 1, 2, 3, boom, lovely. Just to give you a kind of contrast, you can see the ratty-tatty on the right and the cleaned up version on the left. And now I just kind of need to let it sit for 10 minutes, and then I'll buff it, and if I really want to make it pop, I'll just wax it. But they definitely look a heck of a lot better than they did before. You can kind of see ratty-tatty, clean version. Definitely grab this pen. It makes life super easy, and you can find it at theshoesnob.com. Thanks for tuning in as always, and do stay tuned for more. Take care. Bye.